Hands can also be found in Edmond, where one church jumped into action early to help the families who were forced to evacuate.
News 4's Ashley Moss was there today. Ashley?
Well, and that's where we were earlier. We were trying to station at the church. We tried to make a pit stop. And then when we tried to get back, there were barriers back in place. So we actually stationed right here just in the very southern part of Guthrie, just on the border of Edmond. And as you can see that there are vehicles passing me right by, people are getting past those barriers. And that's good news because it means that people are trying to get back to their homes and they're not being turned away. But it was a very different station earlier, very different scene, lots of traffic, lots of chaos. Listen to what we found earlier today.
It seems like this is just the norm when it's this windy.
Even in the midst of fire danger across the metro, there was one thing in common. Folks had places to be.
It take maybe 20, 30 steps and then smoke everywhere.
Well, driving down the Kilpatrick Turnpike, it looked massive. I thought that really it's a bad fire.
But from OKC at Hefner and Kelly to all along I-35 between Guthrie and Edmond, there were barriers and blocks turning people away, the high winds and billows of smoke creating a perfect storm, and traffic hazards all along the way. As first responders continued to track and douse dozens of hot spots, evacuation orders were rolling in, asking families to prioritize people over possessions and get out.
We've got some supplies on the way, trying to locate some cots and some blankets and pillows for people.
But the community quickly powered up to help anyone in need.
It's just, a pretty traumatic event, so we just want to help people however we can. We're here to help.
Now, that's a gentleman from Waterloo Road Church of Christ. It's right along I-35, and they plan to be open throughout the weekend to help people who are weathering this massive event that's happening all across the metro area. They're going to have bathrooms, they're going to have cots, they're going to have food, and we're going to have that information on our website, k4.com. Live in Guthrie, Ashley Moss, Oklahoma's News 4.
Thank you, Ashley. A lot of people, and they're going to